Okay, had to write it kind of small because I want a little room down here, but if you have a positive discriminant, then you can just write this. The two solutions, x1 and x2, as e to the negative gamma over 2m plus, that's square root over 2m, all that times t, and as this. Okay, with the negative here. Okay, well, how does an exponential function behave? It's an exponential. Well, it's possible. Is it possible that this could be a positive multiple of t? This will certainly be a negative multiple of t. This will certainly be a decreasing exponential.
If your discriminant over the 2m is greater than the b over 2m, I guess.
What can that be?
When gamma is 0? No, that would be right. Never mind, that would not be right, because then that would make it, no, that's not right.
If 4mk was negative?
If what?
If 4mk was negative, so they would...
Yeah, we'll see, but m and k are both positive constants, right?
Yeah, so...
You're
no,
on it.
I don't think it can be.
Why not?
Well, if you have gamma squared minus another one, that's less than gamma.
Yeah, exactly. Very good. Okay.